In this video, we will show you how to activate your eSIM on iOS and Android. Before we get started, please make sure your phone is supported by eSIM. Let's start. Please visit this link on the screen. The link will take you to a website where you can buy our eSIM. After purchasing your eSIM, you will get 2 emails, an order confirmed email and an eSIM activation email. When you have received your emails, please go into WhatsApp and send the word RECA to 063 901 0001. Ensure to follow the steps our chatbot gives you. When it asks for your SIM serial number, you can go back to your eSIM activation email and find your eSIM serial number. After you have followed all the steps, you will get another email that will confirm your eSIM activation, and it will contain a QR code. Let's start with iOS now. Please open your phone's settings app and tap on Mobile Service. There will be an option called Add eSIM. Tap on it. After tapping on it, you can tap on Use QR Code and scan the QR code you have in your emails. When you are done with scanning your QR code and everything is successful, please turn airplane mode on and then off again. Shortly after turning airplane mode off, you should receive a SMS with your new number. Next up is Android. Open your phone's settings app and tap on Connections. In Connections, please tap on SIM Manager. When you're in SIM Manager, scroll down to eSIM and tap on Add eSIM, and it will direct you to a page where you can scan your QR code. When you are done adding your eSIM, please restart your phone. When your eSIM is successfully added, please turn airplane mode on and off. When airplane mode is off, give it a few seconds and you should receive a SMS containing your new number. If you are having trouble with anything, make sure to contact our customer support via WhatsApp on 063 901 0000. Thanks for watching.